So in this video, I'll be showing you how you change your Wi-Fi or your MiFi's name and then the password. It's very simple. So I just bought this here and I'm going to show you guys how you can change the name and then the password. So you see, when you take it, you see at the back here, almost all the Wi-Fi's, depends on the brand. This is a different brand. Even HUAWEI, you're going to see it here. You see the IP address. Enter the IP address number in your browser. You get me? And then you should hop on something like this. You see here and look at the IP address I was talking about. Just enter the numbers and you hop on something like this. And this is the login. You can see the login page here. Admin is already written there. And then the password here is also admin. Good. So when you enter there, you are going to see the Wi-Fi password. So mostly the Wi-Fi password is also here. This is the Wi-Fi password automatic. When you turn it on, this is the Wi-Fi password. Yours is going to differ. It depends on the brand you are using. You see Wi-Fi key there. So you can use it to log in before you get access to this here. After that, I'm going to show you guys how you can change it on the platform. Most of the platforms are the same, just at different brands. So now let's get on that too. In the portal like this, just like I said, enter the numbers at the back. This here, you see the cursor there. Enter this numbers here. It should help you, or it should bring you here. And you enter what I showed you at the back as well, the admin and the admin again, and you should log in. Good. So you log into a portal like this. You get me? So here, to change your Wi-Fi name and the password, you come to Wi-Fi settings, right? And see, let me show you. And you tap on the show, and this is my Wi-Fi password. Good. And this is the name. You can change the name here. It's editable. The portals are the same. So there's the name. You see, I'm clearing the name. After that, you just tap on submit to submit it, right? Good. So since I've opened the portal, I'm going to show you guys a lot of things. After that, this is how you change the name, and this is the password. After that, you can also choose the number of devices that can connect at a go, right? So mine can connect up to, I think, 13, right? So I don't want a lot of people to connect. It's going to make it slow and make it more hotter, because these type of devices, when a lot of people connect at the same time, it's going to be very, very hot and overheat. So I want 3 people, and that's it. And then you submit it here and you're good to go. So anytime you log in on your portal, you're going to see your signal and all that here. It's very, very simple. So your IP address is very important. You get the details you need at the back here to log in. After logging in, and then you change everything by yourself. You're good to go. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Peace.